Hello class, good morning. Our topic for today is surface area of space figure. So when you say surface area, it is the area that describes the colored paper that will be used to cover a geometric solid. The surface area is measured in square units of the regions covering all the faces of the space figure. So surface area is like a cover of the whole um, okay, space figure or solid figure. So just like in the picture that I will show you, so you see that the top, bottom, left, right, front, and back are covered with different colors, and those colors, when you sum it up, then that would be the surface area of this cube. So the surface area of a cube, by adding all the area of the square that enclose the solid. So since a cube has 6 equal faces or 6 square faces, then to get its surface area, so the formula would be 6 times s square. So the surface area of a cube is equal to the sum of the square faces that cover the cube. Hence, the surface area of a cube is equal to 6s square. Why 6? Because there are 6 faces, and s square, the formula for the area of a square. So that is the surface area of a cube. And let's proceed to surface area of rectangular prism. So a rectangular prism has length, width, and height, which is surface area is equal to 2 times length times width. Okay, this 2 represents 2 faces. Next is 2 times width times height, again 2 faces. The last one is 2 times length times height. So a rectangular prism has 6 faces, but the top and the bottom face are equal. The left and right are equal. Same with back and front. Back and front are equal. So that's why these are 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. So this one is an example of rectangular prism. So this is the top, then the bottom is the below, okay, left face, and then the other side is right face, front, and the opposite of front would be back. So those are the parts of rectangular prism. So just like here, the length is 30 centimeter, the width is 20 centimeter, and height is 10 centimeter. And we will use that in solving for the surface area of rectangular prism. So here are the 6 faces. We have the top face, bottom face, left face, right face, front face, and back face. The left and right face and front and back face varies depends on the way you look the rectangular prism. So this is the net of rectangular prism. This is the left and right faces, back and front. Then here is the bottom and top. Actually, the front, back, and left and right faces are the lateral faces of rectangular prism. Lateral faces excludes or hindi kasali ang top and bottom faces. So now let's proceed for the first example. What is the surface area of rectangular prism that is 30 centimeter long, 20 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter height? So we will use those given. So since all the length, width, and height are given, and it is very easy to compute as long as you know to identify the different parts of rectangular prism. So let's solve this one. So to sum up the surface area of a rectangular prism, we have length times width. This is for the top face and the bottom face, while width times height is for the left and right faces, and length times height is for the front and back face. So this is two faces, okay, for the top and bottom. This one is for left and right, and this one is front and back. So since the length of the given rectangular prism is 30 and its width is 20 with a height of 10 centimeter, so just substitute. Okay, then compute 30 times 20 is 600 times 2 plus 2, 20 times 10 is 200 plus 2, 30 times 10 is 300. So 2 times 600 is 1,200 plus 2 times 200 is 400 plus 2 times 300 is 600. To sum it up, this is 2,200. Okay. So the surface area of rectangular prism with a length of 30 centimeter, width 20 centimeter, and height of 10 centimeter is 2,200 square centimeter. So that is the surface area of rectangular prism. So the same problem with number 2, a gift box is 20 centimeter long, 10 centimeter height, and 8 centimeter tall. What is the surface area of the box? But in this problem, I will show you the step-by-step way of solving. So we will solve each phases. So we will solve for the top face, bottom face, front face, back face, left face, right face, and later on we will add all the area of the 6 faces. Another way of getting the surface area of rectangular prism is by getting the area of the top face, bottom face, left face, right face, front face, and back face. So we will solve it one by one. Since the length is 20, width is 10 with a height of 8. So for the top face, 20 times 10 is 200. Bottom face, 20 times 10 is 200. left face is 20 times 8 is 160. The same with right face. Front face is 8 times 10, 80. The same with back face. So to get the surface area, add all the area of 6 faces. 200, 200. So this one is square centimeter. So if you're gonna add 200 plus 200, 400, 160 plus 160 is 320, then 80 plus 80 is 160. So 400 plus 320 is 720 plus 160 is 880 square centimeter. So that is the surface area of a rectangular prism with a length of 20 centimeter, width of 10 centimeter, and height of 8 centimeter. Okay, the surface area is 880 square centimeter. So as I've said that lateral faces excludes the bases, okay? Bases or top and bottom faces. So the lateral faces is, okay, the face that you obviously see. So just like in rectangular prism, back, front, left, and right are the lateral faces. So for the third example, find the lateral area of a rectangular prism with 7 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, and 3 centimeter height. So as I've said, we will find the area of back face, front face, left face, and right face. Then later on, we will add all the area of 4 faces. So the lateral area, to get the lateral area of a rectangular prism, just get the back face, okay, back area, front area, left area, and right area. And this okay, the back face, front face, left and right depends on where you locate, okay, the rectangular prism. So for the back face, since okay, the width is 5 and the height is 3, then 5 times 3, the answer is 15. The same with front face. For the left and right face, since the height is 3 and the length is 7, so you can just take a look at page 323 for the figure of this one. So 7 times 3 is 21. Then the same with right face. So to get the lateral area, just add everything. Lateral area is equal to 72 square centimeter. So that is the lateral area of a rectangular pyramid that has 7 centimeter length, 5 centimeter width, and 3 centimeter height. Or you can also write it as okay. So 2 you can write it as 2, okay, 15 plus 21, because if you will write it 2 times 15, 215, 2 times 21 to 21.